Yeah, it's rewind time.
How's it going, guys? It's Kyle, or the How-To Guy 123 here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to bring back the dislike button on YouTube. As you can see, I'm on YouTube Rewind 2018, which is the most disliked video on YouTube, and as you know, YouTube recently removed the dislike button, so you can't see how many dislikes this video actually has. So we're going to be using a browser extension called Return YouTube Dislike to bring back the YouTube dislike count. So this browser extension is available on all major internet browsers. So if we just click on install here, you can see it's available for Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Opera, and Brave. So just go ahead and choose your respective internet browser. So I'm on Chrome, so I'm going to click on Chrome and it's going to bring me to the Chrome web store. So I'm just going to click add to Chrome to add the Return YouTube Dislike extension to my browser. So click add extension, and now you can see Return YouTube Dislike has been added to Chrome. Let's head back to YouTube Rewind here and refresh the page.
Yeah, if I control.
And there you go, you can see that this video has 19 million dislikes. However, there's a small catch to the Return YouTube Dislike extension. The extension uses the YouTube API to grab the dislike count from YouTube and display it on the video. YouTube/Google will be removing the dislike count from the API on December 13th, 2021, which will essentially break the extension. There's a bit of a workaround that this extension will use in the future. As of right now, every time you watch a video, the video's dislike count will be stored on Return YouTube Dislikes servers. So when dislikes are removed from the API, the extension will return a snapshot of the dislike count before it was removed. Additionally, if you're running the Return YouTube Dislike extension and you dislike a video, the dislike will be added to the extension's dislike count and will be reflected on the dislike count shown on the video. Also in the future, this extension will allow creators to share their dislike counts. It's not all perfect, but it's better than having no dislike count at all. Overall, I am very disappointed in YouTube for making the decision to remove the dislike count from videos. It's going to make it harder for viewers to gauge which tutorial videos are helpful, real, and truthful, and if the video is worth watching to begin with. Since I make tutorial videos, the dislike button is very important to me. I use my good like to dislike ratio to show to viewers that my channel is reputable, and if they click on a video, they're not wasting their time, and my video will give them the information that they're looking for. I always say at the end of my videos to leave a dislike if the video didn't help, because not only do I want to know if I made a bad video, I want viewers to know that this is not a good video and they shouldn't waste their time watching it since it's not helpful. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching.